Markets can go up, markets can go down, but if we have a proper adjustment process in place for our strategies, I think any kind of markets can be handled. At least a big damage can always be saved. So today, what I will show you, an adjustment in put ratio spread. Put ratio spread generally is a slightly bullish strategy, and in case market really tanks down, obviously there has to be a loss because the lower side is unlimited loss in put ratio spread. So how one can save a put ratio spread in falling markets? This request has been coming to us from so many days. We have given a video on put ratio spread. I'm leaving you with a link on the top right corner of this video. You can see that video first, and then you come to this adjustment process wherein in falling markets we are trying to save our money by adjusting the put ratio spread. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. We talk about very safe option trading strategies and best of the possible adjustments in these strategies. Do join our WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. Every morning you get a pre-market report. Let me now take you to 1st of January. This is a January trade, which was, let us say, initiated in the morning itself. And we created a put ratio spread. So as you can see on the screen, what we did, we purchased 125,800 put and we sold 225,600 puts. Overall, the trade is in credit. It is requiring a margin of 1.8 lakhs. Obviously, we can reduce that margin, but definitely as an option seller, we must be having a decent margin in our kitty so that in case trades go wrong, we are able to protect our positions. But here I am not buying those weekly options because then the payoff diagram will totally go haywire and we will not be able to understand the actual process of adjustment. Now in put ratio spread, again, as long as market is moving up, which right now spot is showing us 26,181, as long as market is moving up only, or as long as market is above 25,800, which is my purchase put, I need not worry because on the upside there is no issue in this trade. The trade will become seriously problematic in case market tanks down below 25,376, which is the break even. But I cannot wait till 25,376 because by that time lot of damage would have already happened. So generally, when it comes to put ratio spread, as soon as market touches this peak, there can be multiple adjustments which can be done. I will be showing one particular kind of adjustment today, but yes, there are multiple options available how to adjust this kind of a trade. So as long as market is within this area from this peak to upside, I don't think there is any issue in keeping the trade as it is. And to reduce margins, as I've already said, to reduce the required margin, some weekly put of 1 or 2 rupees can be purchased, which will reduce the margin drastically. For better reach and visibility, please click on the like button. Each and every like is very precious to us. Thanks in advance. Let me now continue and just stick with me because it is a slightly higher level kind of an adjustment. So if you are just watching it very casually, you may just miss the point. My request is give me 5 minutes and I will very clearly show how to save these kind of trades, because obviously when you have taken the trade, payoff diagram definitely is showing if market goes below 25,376, it can be an unlimited loss, right? Let us see. This is the month of January 2026 and the first day we have taken this trade. Let us move one day at a time. Next day if I show, okay, nothing has happened. The trade is giving us a small profit of 377 rupees. Next day, again, nothing has happened to the market. We are in a profit of 345 rupees. Next day, nothing. So till 9th of January, nothing is happening. Although now there is no profit, no loss. Almost it is 6 rupees profit, which is negligible. At this stage also, market is giving me a sort of a warning that I am falling. And if you want to do something, you can do. But let us say we want to see the adjustment process. So we are maintaining the same trade. Although I always say that, okay, for strategies, markets always give you warning that, okay, if you want to get out of this strategy at the right time without any damage, you can do so. So here also market is not that, okay, it has crashed in a day. It is moving very slowly towards the downside. So to learn adjustment, obviously we have to keep the same trade. Otherwise, practically I would have already moved my trade to a further lower side. But anyway, let us see this. Next day. Now, if you see, the market has really tanked down, and now the trade is losing 2496. I need to do some adjustment definitely at this level. So what is the best adjustment we can do? Because already it has tanked down below our blue line also, and it is almost touching the peak of ratio spread. If I wait for some more time, it can go down also. So what is the first step here? First step here is that, okay, we have two puts sold. So what I will do, I will scare off these two puts. So these puts were scared off at 150 rupees. I will go back to the option chain. 150 into 2, 300 rupees I am giving to the market, and I will shift my position at least by 100 points. So I am selling now two puts of 117. Now see how this peak is getting shifted. My lower break even point is also getting shifted. But why should I leave money? So 150 minus 118 is approximately 32 rupees. What I will do, I will sell a call of 32 plus 32, somewhere close to 64 rupees, so that I am able to recover my money. So 67 rupees is this. I am selling a call, right? Only one lot. So that now total money is recovered. Now my break even point on upside is 26175, on downside is 25175, and market is right now 25657. Now many of you will say that, okay, now the margin requirement will increase. Yes, little bit margin requirement will increase, and that margin requirement can be reduced by buying weekly put as well as a weekly call, costing you just 2-3 rupees, and that will drastically reduce the overall margin requirement. Now again, we'll see how the trade pans out. Whether if market goes up, I need to safeguard my call option. If market goes down, I again need to save my put option. Let us move in and let's see what happens next day. Okay, nothing much has happened, but the trade is losing now 3829 rupees. I still have a lot of space. Market is at 25855, and my break even point is 26175. So nothing to be done. Next day, let's see. Okay, again it has gone down. Now you see my PNL is almost 475 rupees, which is quite bearable otherwise. But let us see. Let's see, can we get out of this trade in this badly falling markets? We started at around 26,200. Already 600 points fall is there. Next day. Okay, now at least the trade is in a positive territory. I'm making 97 rupees. Yes, if the trade is giving a lot of stress to me, I should get out of the trade. But yes, again, I'm saying, if you are a experienced trader who knows these tricks, you can still stay in the trade and try to get out with some profit, however little it is. As of now, 97 rupees profit. The trade which was giving me a loss, the trade which has directionally gone wrong, I was bullish. That's why I created a put ratio spread, but the market has become bearish. So how to safeguard your position? This is stage number 1. Let us see. We still have a lot of days in the month, how it pans out. Next day. Next day, if you see, it is giving me 3185 rupees, which is a decent profit on this margin, 1.3%. And it is again trying to touch the peak of ratio spread. My sold call is giving me decent profit. My put, sold put and purchase put is also now giving me good profit. So this is the stage at which I should definitely be scaring off the trade. I can go further. There can be further adjustments also. Definitely will show you how to adjust in case you want to stay in the trade till 27th of January, which is the expiry day. But again, this is a very sweet spot where you can get out of the trade. The trade which had gone bad is still giving you profit. General wisdom says that this is the point at which I should definitely scare off the trade. Some deeper insights into the trade, when to adjust, what kind of call we should sell, can we continue in this trade or not. I will continue this video for our TOS Insight and TOS Premium members, so that some further understanding is also there. Happy to announce that we have done 3 online workshops. One is Iron Condor, one is Iron Butterfly, and third one is Double Fender Spreads. All these 3 workshops are recorded and we have converted them into a course. Now these recordings are readily available if you are interested. If you are interested in buying any of these recordings, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. Hope you like the idea of extra protection in your trades. Leaving you with another very interesting video on options trading. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.